One road leads to heaven, but many lead to hell. A fool in the morning is a fool in the afternoon. He who trusts is happy, the doubter is wise. If it's God's will, the broom will lose its handle. In the dark, all cats and all girls are beautiful. An ox remains an ox, even if driven to Vienna. The bushes don't rattle if there's no wind. Don't look a gift horse in the mouth. There is nothing more precious than time. It's natural to have some disagreement between husband and wife. In much talk there are many irrelevancies. Everyone's the blacksmith of their own fate. Misfortune comes on horseback and goes away on foot. The wife of a careless man is almost a widow. The believer is happy, the doubter is wise. If women were not vain, men could teach them how to be. Everything is possible, you just need to want it. Adam ate the apple, and our teeth still ache. Where there is no bridge, the smallest plank is of great value. There is no coat big enough to hide both poverty and drunkenness. An old spinster is not worth more than an unposted letter. Even the best tree sometimes has bad fruit. Those who dare to lie once do not deserve credit. The owl tells the sparrow that her head is big. Fine words are not enough for the empty stomach, it needs bread. Children, fools, and drunken men tell the truth. The person who trusts is happy, the person who doubts is wise. Repetition is the mother of knowledge. The woman of a man without sorrows is almost a widow. Many small things can add up to a big one. In the long run, even a dog will compromise with the cat. One swallow doesn't mean the summer is here. The amount of people equals the amount of opinions. A mug keeps going to the well until it breaks eventually. Better dry bread in peacetime than meat in wartime. Try to be in good company, even when you are alone. A prudent man does not make the goat his gardener. Who doesn't appreciate the little does not deserve the big. He who wants to go fishing must not be afraid of the water. Do more things by wisdom than by force. The crowd is not led by the head, but by the heart. A bashful beggar will have an empty wallet. Better to fear than to be frightened. Don't make an elephant out of a mosquito. He who accepts the gift loses his liberty. What you can do today, don't put off to tomorrow. Whoever digs a hole for someone else will fall in it themselves. Help yourself, and God will help you also. If the mountain will not come to Muhammad, Muhammad will go to the mountain. He who is struck by lightning doesn't hear the thunder. A man with good judgment does not make the goat his gardener. The liar is caught sooner than a lame dog. I can chew for you, my child, but you must swallow by yourself. The fried pigeon will not fly into your mouth. Peccadillos at home, deadly sins abroad. He who is feared by many must be afraid of many. The horse has 4 legs and still stumbles. He who slowly gets angry will stay angry for a long time. It is a fine thing to die for one's fatherland, but a still finer thing to live for it. Although pepper is tiny, its taste is intense. Sometimes a blind man could see hoofs. Rather today a sparrow than a bustard tomorrow. Look at the mother, marry the daughter. No one was ever hung for what he was thinking. Just because a loan is old, that does not make it a gift. The smart one will learn from the mistakes of others. A habit is first a wanderer, then a guest, and finally the boss. Come a little closer when your sword is too short. Bargain like a gypsy, but pay like a gentleman. It is a poor mouse that has only one hole,